Hello, everyone. A very good evening to everyone. I'm Zuili Adate, the team coordinator at the Other Song Academy. The Other Song Academy stands for providing quality education to homeopathic students and practitioners. The purpose is to create finest homeopaths globally who are able to cure range of illnesses in their practice. So we have came up with a flagship course that is the Master Course in Advanced Homeopathy. It's an offline course, 6 months, which emphasizes on clinical and practical training program. Okay. So major practical applications is focused on materia medica, physiology, guided case taking has been there. Clinical sessions has also been provided every week. And yes, live case sessions with Dr. Rajan Sankaran and other senior faculty is also being there. This course is conducted at Mumbai, the city of dreams in India. Additional benefits is the USP is the Journey Within workshop. It's a 3-day program. It's an experiential journey which focuses on free stroke process, childhood crisis, drumming, nature walks, and many more. Along with this, access to the Synergy Homeopathy software is there, and 1-year access to the Sankaran Masterclass by Hope is also been provided. And the major thing why we should prefer this course offline, especially in the today's time. First thing is the real-time learning. Second thing is the personal mentorship, doubt solving, connecting with the mentors, and clinical exposure. More details of this course, you can just have a look at our website and our social media handles. The second course is the International Gurukul. Gurukul is an ancient pedagogic system. Dr. Rajan Sankaran has reinvented Gurukul system to facilitate the homeopathic world and to elevate the practice of homeopathy by the practitioners. This is a 15-month brief program where monthly live sessions with Dr. Sankaran is there, monthly mentor meetings is there. Approach for learning of teaching is guide through in-depth case taking. 3 months recording has also been provided here. And yes, various perks on books, software, and other courses has also been provided. This courses will be started from July 2025. Also, to know more about this course, do have a look on our website. Now, talking about Prana. Prana Homeopathy and Yoga Center, Pune. As we know, homeopathy and yoga, these two are pervasive energy, which are very important to maintain a healthy living state. So Prana is a very path-breaking system, a path-breaking initiative, I would say, where it ensures holism and a journey towards true health. So Prana has come up with a 2-day international magnanimous seminar by our amazing speaker, Dr. Rajan Sankaran. So the topic being the 5-finger method, which is the most reliable method in homeopathy. Doctor will be talking about in depth of 5-finger method, what it is about, how it can help us to elevate the practice. This event will be conducted on 12th and 13th of April of 2025. The event will be conducted at Pune, which is the historical city in India. More details of this course will be there on our website and the social media handles. Thank you.